Hey, Bubba does.
Hi everybody, today we're going to learn how to draw Korok, and I hope you'll follow along with us.
You're gonna need a pencil, a black marker, and something to color with.
That's right, let's get started. First, we're going to start with our pencil sketch again. We're going to go right here in the middle of the page, and we're just going to draw the big shapes, and then we'll come back and fix it. It's almost like this really stubby Patrick star shape. So that's what we're aiming for. Just a couple spikes at the top. The little spiky arms. Actually, maybe my leg's a little smaller and pointier. And then, I'll wait for you.
You're good.
We're gonna do this big leaf face. The eyes. Little shapes, and then this frowny mouth kind of shape. Oh, the stem of the leaf, can't forget that. There, starting to look like a Korok. Now we get to outline our character with this black marker. So I'm going to start from the top down. Just start following my sketch. Yep, just like that. Doing a really good job.
Thank you.
Yeah, those are nice lines. And I'm gonna fill in the eyes and the little face shapes. Oh, you're already done with the body. I gotta speed up. Awesome, there we have our outline. So now we gotta do the fun part. We get a color. I'm just gonna clean up just a few of my messy lines here on the side. And there we have a Korok.
Yay!
Wow, you did such a good job today, Chloe.
Thank you so much. I really love the colors you used today.
Oh, thank you. I hope you guys will come back really soon and draw more characters with us. Bye.
Please make sure to subscribe and share with your friends. This helps YouTube continue to share our videos so that more kids around the world can continue to learn how to draw with Bubba. Thank you!
Big box. Videos.